Hi guys, welcome back to our channel First Code TV. So today on the Bunny Goes, we're talking about testing your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your fiancé, your husband, your wife. You know, why do people test their spouse? Like, what is the reason why they would want to test their spouse?
For me, I condemn such acts.
Okay.
And I think it's not right in a relationship to test your guy or your wife. You
condemn such act. Who
Yes.
are you to condemn it?
I'm a man, I'm a father, I'm a husband to Cessa. So, coming back, I feel it's not right.
Okay.
You're testing your guy, you're testing your girl because of waiting to know if he's cheating. According to Jennifer says he's a cheater. You know, cheater to know if he's cheating and all of that. I think it's not necessary. If you're a very busy woman, very busy man, I think you won't even have time to point a guy or a girl to test your guy or to test your lady. If you means you have a lot of time to do.
Okay, what about people that don't even plant anybody and they will do the testing by themselves?
True.
Some now is not even testing to see is cheating, no.
Okay.
Some can even test for different things.
Like how?
Some they can just pretend and say they want to even see
if the guy loves them.
If he loves them, or if he's not stingy, and they will just plan one test by themselves. They won't even actually use an external person.
Yeah.
So they want to see if he's stingy or if he gives, and then they will play one thing. So if that testing that you are testing, because the person doesn't pass that test that you've tested him, does that mean because of that one test that person is, you know, that just justifies that the person is, you know, failed in that area categorically?
That's a mistake a lot of us we do. You know, you want to test if this guy is stingy. You will ask him for money on Monday, he will give you. You ask him again on Tuesday, he gives. Then when he asks on Wednesday, Thursday, no give, you say this guy is stingy. I don't think I can marry this guy. But you want to frustrate the guy. Is the guy central bank? Even what banks don't give money like that. Don't give out loans like that. He gave you money on Monday, gave you on Tuesday. You ask him for Wednesday, Thursday. And if you don't get, he says a stingy person. That one not the test. That one has stupidity. You understand what I'm saying? If you want to know whether your guy love you or not, they faithful to that, love him. You understand?
Play your part.
Angle to play your part. If you don't say you want to know this guy, then if you play your part and see you're not seeing what you're supposed to see, you must play it genuinely. No add, you know.
But you know, some men are stingy, sha. Because some people they were even some. I didn't call anybody's name. Do you know some men you'll be dating them?
These are the fight of the men. I say some men I want to know which men whether.
You know, when you guys are dating, they'll be acting like they'll be giving, but as soon as you get into the marriage, that's when they'll start measuring the yam. You know? So are we going to now fault those girls that want to even know their fate before they enter?
Okay, what if this guy, while you guys were dating, he was giving you, gave you everything, and you entered, he stops giving. What are you going to do? Are you going to leave the marriage? You won't now.
So that's why some people test now, so they will see.
But are you not getting it? He gave you while you guys were dating, cutting. I love this guy, will marry him, he's a giver. He's a giver, animal sham.
You have a point.
Now you don't enter your trap, you don't give you again. You stay now. So me, I would just suggest play your game. Not even game, live your life. Be real. If test, you don't even need to test.
Okay, what about the ones that used to test even they are married, they would test their husband? Because we've heard of people that they would test their husband that this man, I want to see if truly has one shimmer or one chick in one corner or a side chick is somewhere.
You see someone like me. If you test me, I will test it. You understand what I'm saying? No, it's simple. I'm just giving
you will test it.
I will test it.
Hey, guys, are you seeing me? See my anger face. He said
I will test it. Because if you test it, so but now that question is that what if guys I don't take care of? Me, I just feel see this thing. The thing is simple. No test anybody. Me as a talker, some guys will reason like that if they test and they go test them. So there's no point testing anybody. Just live your life, looking around the thing, love yourself, be happy, stay together, and never. But my own question now is, say, what if you test this guy or this girl, the guy can't fall or the girl fall, can't get belly? It's a double question, one double combo.
Truly, the thing, it don't make sense to test anybody. so you test your spouse. It doesn't make sense that you want to see you could throw questions, ask straightforwardly, you know, or throw it in a very nice manner, whatever way you want it. But you know, when you're planning, as if you're planning a coup or something that you want to see, what if as he said, they can fall. It's not only a man that can fall, a woman can fall. If you are one kind of man and you say you want to see if your babe likes money,
don't go carry 6 packs.
Oh, that's apart from the chest and everything, but the man hand now like this.
Yeah, finish.
Everything don't end with that. So I advise that we don't do this. We don't taste our spouse. You know, don't test your spouse. You know, it doesn't make any sense at all. Yeah. It won't change the situation. Anything. It won't change a spouse that is cheating. It won't. Just if you have questions to ask genuine questions, and then move on from the old thing.
I think let's leave it here for
let's just leave it here. Let's
because it's very.
Okay.
It's not something we can even finish like now.
Okay, so guys, we'll drop the contents here on today's episode of the Barnacle. Please keep liking, subscribing, share. You know, that subscription is important. And please help us share. Thank you so much.
Bye.